Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this delicious egg coated yam. Help me to share the video in all your platform. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please go ahead, subscribe and be a part of this family so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be forced to be notified. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I need one tuber of yam that is not really too big, Japanese onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, put to your taste, herbs, mixed spices. I will be showing you the calm, seasoning powder, salt to taste, so the next thing, guys, I will go ahead and puree the yam. Take it straight to the bowl of water to avoid it from getting black. So once I am done, guys, I will give it a gentle slice. Not really too big and not really too tiny. So can you see how the size looks like? So I will wash this yam and I will change the water. The next thing, guys, I will transfer it to my pot. So the next thing, guys, I will go ahead and add some salt, some water, so I will bring to boil. So when you are cooking this, make sure it's not really too cooked, it's not too soft, just normal. So I will go ahead and dice my vegetables. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, Japanese onions, so less than 15 minutes to 30 minutes, this yam is done, not really soft. If it's soft, you cannot get a better result. So I will go ahead and crack my egg. So I use total of 7 eggs, but here you are seeing 5, but I use total of 7. So I'll put it on my description box. Once the mixture is okay, transfer your boiled yam inside the egg. Can you see how it looks like? Guys, have you liked this video? Please, if you have not yet liked this video, encourage your girl, your sister, go ahead and like the video. So when you are doing this, guys, make sure the oil is not overflowing. Just a little oil on the pan. At this point, make sure that your gas is not over hot. bring it to a low heat. So you transfer it, and if it's necessary for you to add more hairs to the front or to the side of it, do so. Once you see that it has already changed color, just like what you are seeing, take it off. So I will repeat this until I finish it. Can you see how lovely it is? Oh my god, so yummy. So I'll go ahead and garnish it. Guys, we are done. It's time to eat. So this is a sauce you are seeing. In order for this video not to be too long, so how I made this sauce is not really here. So if you are interested in knowing how I make this sauce, I'll put the link for you. So I have beef on it and melusa fish. And if you have prawn, you can as well add, or any protein of your choice. Oh my god. Oh, this will look so yummy and delicious. Just watch how I'm going to mash it. I believe after this video, you are going to try it. And let me know how yours looks like in the comment section below. Oh, if you're to be, I have access of posting yours. I will do so. Can you see how colorful it is? Mamma mia. Oh, so yummy. I will allow you to watch to the end. We are almost done, guys. So see you soon again in another satisfying video. Please make sure you watch to the end and make sure you subscribe, like this video, and put your comment below. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.